are doing a lot of great things here at Shanahan, and I want to be the first to thank you for coming to school every day prepared to learn and to do your best. And thank you, teachers and staff, for your incredible dedication and commitment to your students and school.
At the Milken Family Foundation, we believe that teachers and principals have the most important job because they are entrusted with the responsibility of providing all of you with a bright future. And only if we elevate the teaching profession will talented students like all of you consider a career in education.
And in the spirit of paying tribute to the importance of educators, I'd like to have all the staff please stand. Let's give them a big hand. And before we leave this assembly, one of your teachers is going to receive this national award. And the Milken Educator Award goes to Marissa McCarthy.
Gilbert.
I teach because it's rewarding, because I love watching the transformation of my students as they grow throughout the year and as they learn new things. And I think that's what it boils down to. It's a very rewarding job.
I teach 7 classes this year, and I hope all of the students that are in those classes know y'all are wonderful. I mean that from the bottom of my heart to every student that's in my classroom. You make me feel appreciated.
I got an award for being a Milken Educator, which is a national award.
Oh, wonderful! I'm so excited for you.
They gave me a check for $25,000.
Oh, honey.
So I'm a Milken Educator. It's like the Academy Award of Teaching, I've been told.
Well, I know what it is.
Oh.
You deserve it.
Thanks.
Hi, Ryan. Congratulations.
It changed my life drastically. It just allowed me to use my expertise to go out and to influence other teachers to do what they do best.
And such an impact we can make in the lives of the people around us and the futures that we have if we can input into our children. So it's just been a great opportunity to be recognized as someone who's dedicated and trying to do the best we can to make this place a better world.
There's not a lot of public showings of support for teachers yet, but I really believe there's nothing more rewarding I could do with my life. And I think the more people learn about that, the more we can empower the education community as a whole.